Hello, good day. My name is JP. I'm a representative of Eco Rubber, and today I'm here at Strand Hardware. I basically want to demonstrate to you how easy it is to waterproof with our DIY kits. These kits all come in various colors, so we've got 8 different colors. This will be the 25 square. It is worked out on a 2-coat application. Then you will have a smaller one that is our 5 square kit. This one does your 5 squares with a 2-coat application, and then our smallest one would be the 2.5 square. These ones, as you can see, is different colors. We've got a light gray, the green, the black, and we've also have the charcoals, the terracottas, whites, browns. And basically I just wanted to demonstrate what is inside the box and how easy it is to apply. Our liquid is a liquid rubber emulsion that is ready to use. So basically, in this little 2.5 square kit, we've got a membrane. This is to seal your joints and laps. If you've got flashings, parapets, that would be applied with your liquid rubber. And then we've got a little scissors there to cut. We've got your paintbrush, and this would be your liquid. So this liquid here, you can give a good shake before you use it. And you can either, it's got a little lid that you can decant into a painter's tray, or you can actually put it straight on, depending on how you want to do it. I have this corrugated PVC profile. This will represent a roof sheet. So what I want to do basically is just show you how easy it is to apply the rubber with a membrane. So this would represent your overlap that you will have on your roof. This is now for a corrugated roof. So this joint would be a lap joint, and instead of just painting the rubber over it, we will actually be sealing it with conjunction with a membrane. So the membrane will make sure that you actually don't try and paint too thick on your joint, and that you'll actually use less product, and you will actually be sure when you've applied your membrane that there's no pinholes created because of applying the rubber too thick and then drying too quickly, creating little pinholes that can create little leaks. So I'd rather be sure, and I'd use the membrane on the laps and the joints. So in your little kit that you've got, you'll have your membrane and your brush and everything ready for your DIY job.
A few moments later.
Let's start with this obviously being a small joint. If you are doing a long joint or a long lap, it is better to apply the rubber and use the, roll off the membrane as you go along. So you don't want to basically paint a long stretch and then come over with a membrane. You want to start from the top, applying rubber, putting the membrane on, and then because the product can dry up quickly. So the key thing of prepping is of waterproofing is prepping, and so we need a clean surface. So the surface that we are coating needs to be clean and dry firstly, and before we apply anything to it. So I'm going to show you now the rubber and how easy it is actually I'm just going to decant it straight onto the metal sheet here. So what you want to do first before you put your membrane is you want to apply a decent coat of rubber onto the joint that you are sealing. And you're going to go a bit wider than your actual, this is a 100mm membrane. And like you can see, it's actually easy. It's ready to use straight out of the packet. So you don't need to mix any special chemicals or products. This is all an easy, friendly DIY application. Okay, so now I'm basically going to cut my membrane onto the size that I want to cover there. So you want to lay that membrane over the joint, and you want to get it nice and smooth and flat onto the surface. You don't want any creases or little gaps. And then I'm going to apply a bit more rubber just for the second coat, for the first coat on top of the membrane. So we give it long strokes, get it all smooth and out nicely.